This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Josh Bradley. Low maintenance, end-unit townhome in West Knoxville. Not a single step in this one-level beauty. Great open space around and in a cul-de-sac. New luxury vinyl plank flooring, tile in kitchen, baths and laundry, with carpet in bedrooms. Walk-in shower and closets. Updated deck and wood privacy fence too. Low $75 per month HOA fees covers exterior maintenance, grounds maintenance, trash, fire protection, brush pickup, and mulching. 2-car garage. Very well maintained condo is vacant and ready for immediate occupancy. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Bradley at 865-584-4700.